Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data quality metrics with Metric Insights step by step clearly. Open Metric Insights and log into your account. Navigate to the metrics section from the main dashboard. Locate the specific data quality metric you want to verify. Click on the metric to open its detailed view. Review the metric description to understand its intended purpose. Identify the data sources associated with the metric. Check the data refresh schedule for the metric. Examine the historical data trends for any anomalies. Compare the current data against historical averages. Verify against business rules established for data quality. Look for any notifications or alerts linked to the metric. Document any discrepancies or issues that arise. Communicate your findings with the relevant stakeholders. Resolve any issues by collaborating with your data team. Confirm that metric updates have been effectively applied. Reassess the metric after adjustments to ensure accuracy. Finally, update the metric documentation with any changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or in. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.